ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between, I am back with somebody else's hair and scalp, and guess what? It is another get ready with me. Clink, clink, clink. Do I say clink, clink, clink on get ready with me's? I don't think I do. Either way, let's sit. And for my get ready with me's, what I like to do is throw on some makeup and complain. We just catch up every single week. It's like a phone call. Pick up the phone, girl. This week is a star of the show. If you're a kinky curly girl, you already know. Amazing. And I want to say thank you to Xrsbeauty Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this portion of this get ready with me. What I'm going to do is go into the details of this wig for the girlies that are interested, and then we're going to go ahead and jump into doing the makeup and the chat. So first, let's go ahead and get into this girly. Oof. Y'all see how big that hair is? Girl, size matters. For today, I will be talking about like the holidays and stuff like that. The holiday season and daylight saving time, winter time, all of that. Grab your cozy little sweater, grab your hot beverage or your cold one, however you like it, add some ice. Let's get into this wig and then we can jump into the makeup and the chat. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started with this beautiful Xrsbeauty Hair wig. So it's gonna come in the Xrsbeauty Hair box. And of course, they provide you with these gifts: an elastic band, a comb, baby hairbrush, wig cap, and foam rollers. And of course, you receive your gorgeous wig. This is what it looks like when it's out of the box. This is the 13x6 clean lace, clear hairline. Clear lace, clean hairline, tight curly wig. This wig is 22 inches long and it is 200% density. Now you can change your length and you can change your density, as it fits to you, but this is the length that I received. Now this wig is absolutely gorgeous and you can wear it right out of the box if you want to, but you know me, I gotta make some shake. So what I'm gonna do is take the wide tooth comb that they provided inside of the box, and I'm just gonna go ahead and comb through the hair just to detangle it a bit. I'm gonna spray it down with my mousse and water combination from my continuous spray bottle, and then I'm going to brush through the hair with my Evolve 572 brush. What this does is clump up the curls so beautifully that it looks like natural hair. You can see the difference right there. So this is the mousse that I like to use. It's called the Dew Mousse Def Mousse. You can get it from Target. You also can get it from Amazon. So what I do is I combine the mousse and water in the continuous spray bottle. I swear it's clogging it up, but girl, whatever. Then I comb through the curls and detangle them, and then I top off those curls with just the Mousse Def curls, and then with the Mousse Def mousse, and then after that I trim the ends. I trim just like maybe an inch off just to get the curls looking more bouncy. Sometimes when the ends tangle together, the curls don't bounce, but you can see as I cut the ends of the hair, the curls just start to fall. Like, oh, it's so satisfying, friend. It is so satisfying. So I continue to do that all the way up to the top of the head. I continue to cut kind of at an angle, the shortest angle down to the longest angle, just to get it looking right. And then I take some of the leftover mousse and I add it to the hairline. Next, we're gonna put it on our little Amazon wig dryer head to let it dry for some hours. And then next, we're gonna go ahead and add the lace tint to the lace. This is clear lace. You don't need it, but I like that extra sense of security. So I use the Calendaric lace tint spray it on a brush, apply it to the bottom side of the lace, and I just allow that to cook, girl. Basically, you just gotta brush it in real quick to make it get all over the lace, and then I use it, the blow dryer and diffuser to allow that to set. Once that's done, we can go ahead and apply our wig. I use a wig grip with a little lace on it and a wig cap to protect my hair. And that's all you need, girl. We don't do ball cap method over here. We don't need to. It's with the clear lace, we still don't even need it. If you want to do it, your wig will probably look better than mine, but girl, I dare you to try. Anyways, I'm joking. So next, I'm going to flatten the hairline with the Andis hot comb, and I'm just going to cut the lace off the wig. So I'm going to use my Annie shears and I'm just going to cut the lace off. It was a little bit longer on the ears, so I just chopped that part down on the ear part on both sides. and then I cut across the hairline. Now, the only thing about some of the Xrsbeauty hair wigs is that, girl, they too big for my little pea head. I think I can ask for a smaller size, but I usually just get the stock size because I want to see what most people will receive. So now it's time for me to apply the wig. You could wear this wig glueless, but you know me, I gotta make this thing stick. Okay, so I'm gonna use my wig dealer spray, apply it to the forehead, and just lay the lace down. If your head is the right size for this wig, you can just put the little clips that they have at the back on and punch it out the door. But you know, I'm not blessed with the normal size head. So I got a teeny tiny head. So I have to apply most of my wigs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use spray all the way across the hairline. I work in 3 sections, and I'm just going to apply the lace on one side of the head and then apply the apply the wig dealer spray on both sides of the head, allow it to get tacky, and then lay down the lace. It's really, really simple, really easy, and I like to use the end of a rat tail comb just to make sure that lace is secure. Yes, I said secure. So as you can see, girl, we don't even need baby hairs, but I'm gonna do them because, you know, I'm addicted. Now, as you can see, there's a little bit of a wrinkle right there. I pulled the lace down too tight. So it does cause a wrinkle, but that starts to go away after I melt the hairline, so it's fine. But what I'm doing now is, of course, laying down the baby hairs. I cut it down, and then I use my Got To Be Glued gel to lay down the baby hairs, and all I do is the faux. I do faux baby hairs, girl. That's the ultimate count. And I just like to cut them short, then brush them down. It helps to disguise some of the lace, but we don't need it this time. It also helps to make the wig look more realistic. So next to melt this hairline, I'm going to use the rapid strip. You can get that from the beauty supply store. I'm going to use a rapid strip, and I'm also going to use an elastic band, and I'm just going to go ahead and let that sit for maybe 10-15 minutes while I fluff up this hair. So with kinky curly hair or tight curly hair like this, how I like to separate my curls is not to run my fingers through it. I like to stretch the curls, like stretch them downwards so that they fluff up and it loosens up that crunchy mousse. Now next, speaking of crunchy, girl, we can go ahead and let the hairline out, and as you can see, it's melted right into the skin. It's very much a clean hairline. The curls are stunning. You can't tell that this isn't my hair. And if you can, girl, you too close. I love this wig. It looks amazing. Right now, Xrsbeauty Hair is having a Black Friday sale. Check it out. You can get more than 50% off of your wig. I'll leave links down below. It also will be on the website. So check out the wig. Y'all tell me what you think. Now let's go ahead and get into the face.